Right, so let's talk about this case from Neewer for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. There's also a 17 Pro version out there, and I think this might be the best option for filmmakers that need a small but really versatile case, and I will talk about why. So first of all, the case is really nice and solid. It's well made. It's not really that slippery because it has this fake leather texture, so it's not as slippery as others like the one from FREEWELL, even though that is also a nice case, and even the SmallRig case is a bit on the slippery side. So this is a bit better and also a bit rugged. All the buttons are nice, solid, no complaints there. But what really is nice, there are different filter options. With the case you get included, for example, this 67mm filter adapter, and it slides on like this and is magnetically also connected, so it's fairly solid, and you can use any of your 67mm filters. For example, this one, I really like this Neewer ND because it doesn't have a big color shift and it's fairly affordable. And there we go, it also has hard stops. There are two versions. This is a 5-stop filter, but you have also a version that has a magnetic extra 32 ND. But in my experience, the 5-stop is quite enough for my workflow at least. Really nice, and a good thing because it's offset. You can still use any MagSafe accessory like this power bank or other stuff as well. So really nice. Quite well. Also, you can connect your SSD if you want, or the other one that I have that I really like without any special adapter. By the way, everything I bought myself, other than the SSD that was sent to me, but everything that I show in this video in terms of the case and accessories, I bought myself. So nothing sent to me by Neewer, and I used it for quite a few projects already. It also comes with those lens adapters, T-mount or 17mm also included, same connection there. And yeah, you can connect lenses like this 18mm from Neewer. That was sent to me with for the iPhone 15 Pro Max back in the days. And also this really nice telephoto lens from FREEWELL. This was also sent to me, but works really well with this adapter. Fits perfectly. And again, there's also a T-mount adapter there for those older lenses or special lenses. I think I have an anamorphic adapter that uses this. It's included. So yeah, those three adapters are included with the case. Don't need to buy that separately. But what makes this case really special is this additional optional filter set. You have to buy it separately, but it's a fair price. Comes with this adapter again, slides in like the other ones, and comes with different magnetic filter options. ND filter, different strengths, 64, 32, 16 and 8. So that works for most scenarios, and it connects just like that. It's a strong magnet, it usually stays on there quite well. But my favorite is this diffusion filter. So this is basically just like an UV filter with a little bit of a diffusion, not too strong. This is really nice because it protects the lenses of the iPhone, makes the whole setup quite even. It's not too big. It fits in your pocket of your jeans or whatever. So this is really an everyday filter set that I have on my iPhone all day, every day. And it gets a little bit of a film look there. It's not really that strong, so you can use it for your daily shots as well. Makes it a little bit softer. But keep in mind, with the wide angle lens, with the 30mm lens, you might get a few reflections from inside the filter. You see the lenses, but that really depends on the light situation and if the light really hits the camera parts directly. But with the 24, I didn't see that issue at all. So there you go. I think this filter adapter and the included adapters makes this case really unique and special, and maybe the best one for the iPhone. Just a simple setup with the essential stuff and the filter diffusion filter adapters right there. And no other brand does this. I mean, Poloar Pro has something similar, but then again, you have to buy the 67mm adapter extra. It's not included, and also it's not offset, so you can't really use any MagSafe accessories with that. And it's also a bit more expensive, I think. Oh, and by the way, almost forgot, it works with the SmallRig Gage. This case, you have to remove this adapter first, but then you can just put this in the SmallRig case, and there you go. And then you can use those filters as well. That works. No issue there. So there you go, there you have it. Anyways, let me know in the comments if I should test the Poloar Pro option as well. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's even better, maybe it's different. Let me know if I should check it out. And again, if you have any questions about this setup or any other iPhone workflows, let me know as well. And again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Hopefully the next upload will be a bit quicker than this one. Yeah, okay, back to work.